Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So today I have a video for you guys on my car. Something special, something I've been waiting for, something that I have created a goal for 2023, and I'm starting my journey here today as a new year. And this channel, I want to make it as a car, gym, and life journey, basically a vlog, and I want you guys to be a part of it. And hopefully I get some good content for you guys. So I am pretty nervous, but that's how it all starts, and let's get to it. And I want to talk more about why I'm starting this YouTube channel for myself. And like, I want to say that I got inspired by TJ Hunt. I've been watching him for a while, and he has done a big impact for me on reasons why I wanted to reach this goal and starting this YouTube channel and doing this for more people, to inspire more people myself, because I know young adults have goals and then it becomes something hard for them where they just give up on their dreams and having goals. So I feel like I want to start this to help those out, to show them that hard work takes time, to not rush the process, to trust it, because obviously good stuff, great stuff come if you trust the process and you believe in them. So I want to shout out TJ Hunt for this, for really helping me out this Christmas vlog he started. And yeah, that's one of my big goals, why this 2023 I want to start off with creating this YouTube channel as a car community, gym vlogs, a daily life basically, but not really record myself daily doing this like all every day, because I know that's gonna be pretty hard for me. But I'm creating this to have fun, enjoy this, build my car, build my body that I always dreamed of. And like, this is something I want to create for 2023 and finish it strong, create 2024, finish it strong, and build this car together on YouTube as a family, as a community. And hopefully this goes great for me. And let's get started to the video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move the car and tell you guys more about my car, and let's get back to this. All right, so let me tell you guys about my car. I have a 1994 MX-5 Miata 1.8 engine. It's a 4-cylinder, but let me show you guys what I got. All right, so this is my car. I had already started putting some stuff, but I got this car really stock. It only came in with the Koenig black rims, and basically I put the front lip into my bumper. I installed, what else I put stickers. I tinted it also. I had a little $5 wing, but I took it to a car wash last minute because it was really dirty. I went and took it for a photo shoot and took it into the car wash, and it broke off. I'm sad, but it's whatever. I also put this TJ Hunt Hunt & Co. Keep Moving Forward license plate cover. I straight piped it. What else? That's basically it. Today I'm just installing the quick release. So basically that's all I did. I did the lip, the tint, stickers, the license plate cover. I straight piped it, and today's mod is the NRG quick release and the LED lights that I want. I had already started the steering wheel, but I had ordered the wrong part, as I said. So I waited, and I'm doing this today, and it's getting dark, but I'm gonna try to put some lights so I can show you guys what I did. But everything's gonna be pretty simple. You just gotta know what you're doing. I did YouTube it, but I'm barely starting this myself, and I want to get to learn how to do this as I go, as I'm learning, and I want you guys to be part of it. So let's get into it, and let me show you what I got. All right, so this is the adapter here. This is the quick release, and this is the steering wheel. These are the LED lights that I'm installing. Let me show you this steering wheel. I completely fell in love with it, and man, I just want you guys to see this. So this is the classic wooden grain white and black steering wheel from NRG. This is the quick release. This is the carbon fiber, all black. And like this whole combination, I fell in love with it. I got it off from Amazon, all three things. And so this is the adapter. So this is the stuff I got. But let's get started and let's install this quick release steering wheel. All right, so I already went ahead and took off the two 10 millimeters from up top and from the bottom. So you just go ahead and take this off. So since I had already started this, I already took off the clock spring, the airbag already plugged. But yeah, I already took off the clock spring, and so I also unplugged the horn so it doesn't have the horn. And so, but I will be installing that into mine, which I already wired it right here. This is the wire for it. So you'll go ahead and just take this off, and yeah, that's basically it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It is pretty hard to take it off, so try to hold it down with your knees or whatever. But holy cow, how did it not locked in? What the hell? Well, make sure you lock your locks, because that just happened. There you go. All right, so I already went ahead and took it off. I believe it's a 22 or 21 that I remember. So you take it off and you go ahead and start wiggling around. So you take it off. There we go, just like that. And you go ahead and take these off. I believe it's 4 Phillips. You take those off, and so you can install the adapter. All right, so I already went ahead and installed the adapter. Make sure your dot, the white dot, is always facing up. So as you tighten it, it's gonna probably move, but it's always up top. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the screws in. So this goes like this. I already went ahead and connected these two for the horn. So yeah. All right, so I already went ahead and installed it. The thing is, I probably did something wrong with the wiring. The horn does not work, but I will be fixing that soon. I just ran out of time. So next I'm gonna be installing the LEDs. But it came out pretty nice. I like it. It looks pretty good. Now I'm about to go test it out and see how it feels. All right, so we're gonna go test it out. I went to go wash my hands. I didn't want to get my steering wheel dirty. But this is my car right now. Looks pretty good, nice and small. All right, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out, give you some tools, and I'm gonna see how I like the new steering wheel. All right, so I'm driving it already, and I'm pretty much liking it already. It feels good, really smooth. Right now I'm about to do some pulls, so I'm gonna show you what I got. right, so I went ahead and put down the soft top so y'all could hear the pulls, how it sounds. So the steering wheel feels really comfortable. I like it, but the bad thing was it's crooked, so I'm gonna have to fix that. It's not straight, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that once I get home, and I'll be showing you guys tomorrow morning once I have better light, because man, it's dark. But I'm gonna go ahead and install the lights next. And so it is the next day. I'm getting ready to go to school, but I want to show you guys how it looks since there's more light. So let me show you. All right, so I'm gonna let the car warm up real quick, but let me show you guys how it looks. All right, so this is how it looks like I said, it's still not straight. Once I get home from school, I'm gonna make sure it looks like this. But the horn works. I got that to fix. It was pretty difficult. Took me like probably an hour to figure it out how to do it, but I got it. I did not install the LEDs light yet, but you can see pretty bright. That's all I needed. But later on, that's where I'm gonna fix them, put everything how it is, and we'll go from there. All right, we stopped at the gas station. We stopped for Monsters. We were kind of tired from the gym from earlier, but I want to say I completely fell in love with this steering wheel. It's really comfortable, pretty smooth, it's pretty light, and I have sway bars that I'll be installing later on, so that's for another video. But later on I'm gonna finish this steering wheel, put it straight, and then install the LED lights. I wanted them, so I'll catch you guys later. All right, so I finished installing the LED lights. Also did kind of fix the steering wheel that was kind of crooked, but I got it to stay straight enough. But let me show you guys how these LEDs look like. It's still kind of like tangled up, but I'm gonna make sure to make that look nice, and so it won't be looking like a mess up here. But let me show you how it looks like, and you tell me how it all ended up and how it all looks like in the comments. So you can kind of see it's pretty bright. I have one right there and one under. Same as this side. One there, and one under. And it's kind of bright. It's kind of more light than well, it's way better than not having light at all. But the steering wheel, well, I can kind of see. But this the steering wheel. It's kind of straight enough already, but I tried my best. But yeah, that's basically it. It's 6:30. I started this like around like 4:30, so it took me like 2 hours to just fix the steering wheel and install the LEDs. All right, so I'm finishing the video. I'm currently working right now. I couldn't finish the outro over there. I got pretty busy and it got pretty late for me. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. I have a bunch more ideas coming up for later on. But make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and like. And like, I really hope this goes good for me. And like, I really am working hard to really reach my goal for YouTube and to really and just grow this community as a car guy, as a car content creator, as a gym, how do I say it? As a gym, well, fitness life that I have on creating the body that I've always wanted, working hard for that. Also, like, as my lifestyle, what I like to do and stuff I like to do in my lifetime. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have a lot of more ideas to bring, and I really hope you guys enjoy from here on now on. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.